major, minor, diminished, or augmented, triads, intervals. I have a sense of how chords got constructed, how the intervals are set apart, major, first to the fifth, minor, diminished, augmented. I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or a sus2. This is no longer cross-disciplinary. This is discussing music independently, how to build chords, how to play polyrhythm, syncopation, how to play fingerstyle. So I have a fundamental understanding of both fields simultaneously. That's cross-disciplinary. Multidisciplinary is when you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration. One area, I might get into the area of psychopathology, mental disorders, pathology, mental diseases. And I might get into key in on areas like, let's say, bipolar, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, or let's say bipolar 1, manic, or bipolar 2, hypomania. Now, there's a number of different parapsychological phenomena that is induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take psychopathology, parapsychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream. A number of different parapsychological phenomena are augmented, modified, and